The 10 levels of intelligence from subnormal to transcendent. Number 1. Transcendent. This is intelligence that doesn't just aim for better gadgets or smarter equations. It aims for wisdom, truth, enlightenment. Spiritual leaders, philosophers, deep thinkers. They're less concerned with building iPhones and more about asking, what's the meaning of all this anyway? To most, they seem strange, out of touch, maybe even eccentric. But transcendent intelligence isn't about fitting in. It's about seeing life at a level beyond the scoreboard of IQ tests. Number 2. Visionary. These people don't just think outside the box. They build an entirely new box, then sell it to you as the future. Visionaries are dreamers, innovators, leaders of movements. They don't just solve problems, they imagine realities that don't exist yet. Think Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, for better or worse, or Martin Luther King Jr. The key is not to dismiss their ideas as unrealistic. That's exactly what people always say, until those visions reshape everything. Number 3. Polymath. Not just a genius, but a genius in multiple fields. Leonardo da Vinci painted, engineered, invented, dissected, basically lived life on hard mode and still aced it. Polymaths don't just want to master one thing, they want all the things. Which is cool, but also exhausting for everyone around them. Best way to support them? Encourage their curiosity, don't box them into one field. Imagine forcing Da Vinci to pick between art or science. What a tragedy. Number 4. Genius IQ above 145. Think Einstein, Tesla, or the kid in your class who built a robot for the science fair while you were still gluing macaroni to cardboard. Geniuses don't just solve problems. They create new worlds of thought. The danger? People often laugh at their crazy ideas until 10 years later, when those same ideas run the world. So if you meet a genius, don't shut them down. Give them space. History is full of geniuses we didn't appreciate until it was too late. Number 5. Gifted IQ, 130 to 145. These people are academic machines, artistic prodigies, or science nerds with terrifying levels of skill. They see connections others miss, but here's the catch. They often struggle socially. While you're trying to figure out TikTok trends, they're already busy solving advanced equations or sketching blueprints for a hoverboard. What they need isn't isolation, but resources, mentorship, and encouragement. Just because they're gifted doesn't mean they don't need help. Number 6. High IQ 120 to 129. These folks are usually the unofficial leaders of a group project, the ones who finish their part, then silently redo everyone else's. They love deep ideas, complex challenges, and generally get restless if things feel too simple. If you want to help them thrive, give them space for advanced tasks. Do not waste their brain power making them copy-paste spreadsheets for hours, or you'll watch a future innovator slowly melt into apathy. Number 7. Above average IQ 111 to 119. These are the people who actually enjoy puzzles and don't rage quit Sudoku after 5 minutes. They pick things up quicker, solve problems faster, and usually act more curious about the world. If you know someone like this, give them challenges or creative outlets. They get bored easily. Stick them in a room with nothing but small talk and they'll start questioning the meaning of existence by dessert. Number 8. Average. Welcome to the world's biggest club. IQ between 90 and 110. Roughly 68% of people fall here. They handle daily life fine, hold jobs, and maintain relationships, though not always healthy ones, judging by modern dating apps. Being average isn't bad, it's literally the norm. But society has this weird obsession with acting like average is an insult. It's not. It's just most of us. The key here is steady growth, consistent practice, and not comparing yourself to Einstein, who, by the way, never had to survive group projects. Number 9. Below average IQ between 70 and 89. These are the people who get the math problem correct 3 minutes after everyone else already handed in their paper. They're slower to pick things up, sure, but fully capable of living normal lives. Often the cause is environment, poor education, or just lack of motivation. Yeah, Netflix binges don't help. The trick? Break things down step by step and give them time. Pressure them too much and their brain basically blue screens. Number 10. Subnormal. This is the lowest level, with IQ under 70. Think of life like a video game. You're trying to play on easy mode, but the controller is half broken. People here often struggle with memory, reasoning, and everyday tasks. Causes could be genetics, birth complications, malnutrition, or brain injury. But here's the important part. They don't need pity, they need support. With patient guidance and kindness, they can still live meaningful lives. So don't be that person who avoids them like they're contagious. Sometimes your smile might be the one upgrade that makes their whole day.